Make it happen. Make it happen.
We're gonna get this photo.
We're gonna get this goddamn
We're gonna
photo.
get this fucking photo.
You're like an absolute mad woman.
I have never felt more alive in my life.
It's 5 in the morning. We're gonna go see the sand dunes. Let's go.
All right, we made it to the sand dunes and we have the entire place to ourselves. This is the reward that you get for all the pain and suffering of waking up in the morning.
Listen to you evangelizing early morning routines.
Early morning all the way, baby.
One has to wonder in times like this, am I a crazy person? The sand feels like snow on my toes. Nobody comes out for morning photo shoots because it's fucking hard. But you know what? It is cooler out here. That's about 6:30. I've never seen Amanda more energized. We're scoping out the desert right now. We're trying to find the perfect combo of desert dunes to get the shot that we're imagining. And I think we're getting close.
Is it worth going up this hill?
I don't know if it's really reading how tall that is, but Amanda's just gonna go up the steep way. I guess I am too. We want to have a really tall vantage point so that we can kind of shoot down into the dune more. We have this kind of specific idea in mind where we catch the light in the bowl of the dune and we're kind of silhouetted on the light of the bowl.
I think I found it.
She thinks she found it, god damn it. And this is the most epic place I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah.
And I think that's gonna work. We thought this was it. This probably isn't it. We're gonna keep moving. We got time though, the sun hasn't even risen yet. We're going up to our next peak to scout this one out. Scouting is not talked about enough. This is hard work. We're 2 miles out here in the desert. So it's either that one from there, the one over there from there.
Or that one from there?
Yeah, potentially.
I don't know if that's high enough.
Okay, I could see that. Look at that. Amanda wouldn't even fold the tripod up. She's like, we gotta go. Let's just go. She's a fucking spirit, that one. We just came to the tallest peak, like in the very near vicinity. And it's got a great... Amanda's going down. It didn't work. There's not the right vantage point up here on a dune. There was one that maybe could work, but we're not totally satisfied. So Amanda's surfing. We really think we have it on the next one. This is funny though.
Oh my god. Woo. Woo.
Come on, baby.
We're in the middle of the desert and I can't. That might be the ridge.
Okay. Once again, we think we might have it, but we've been burned before. We're deep out here. We're deep in the sticks. Amanda is a force to be reckoned with. My lord. What you think, baby? We gotta keep going left? Tell me that's not it. That's it.
That might be it. That might be our ridge. Let's have the shot.
Okay. How freaking tiny are we gonna be there?
I think that's it, and we're gonna be really tiny along this ridge here.
We're all set up. We got our timer ready to go. 2 minutes, it's gonna start interval shooting.
We're gonna have to leave our tripod here
We'll
alone.
walk like a quarter mile that way.
Yeah. All right, we better get scooting.
All right, let's do it, baby.
Bye, tripod. See you later. Here we go.
We did our 5-mile jog in the sand dunes this morning.
There's our tripod. All alone. There's our shadows. Oh.
I think we got the shot. We're going back to check it now. Nobody's out here. Just us and our camera. It's a beautiful day. It's starting to finally warm up. Although it's really fucking cold still on my feet. I've seen better days.
Oh, that looks so cool.
Damn good for just coming out here and just winging it.
I love it. We got the shot.
We got the shot. Woo!
We got the shot.
Freaking got it. And we spent all morning fucking trudging around the desert trying to get it. And we did it.
Let's just fuck around. We're at the end. We're almost back to the van. We're gonna eat breakfast. We're gonna eat breakfast.
We're gonna have that second cup of coffee.
This is a lot of fun though. It was aggravating at times. We were fighting the sun. It's fun to have a goal and make it happen.
It's fun to have a goal and make it happen.
I know it's just a photo. I know it's silly, but it's a fun activity. Let's go eat!
Let's eat breakfast. We're getting there. 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 We're getting there.